Go. Hi guys. Welcome back to the Sis. And today we're going to do our room tours. And who's starting is me. Is my room who's over here. So here, right here we have my Madison balloon thingy with flags on it. It's so cute. And once you walk in, you see my curtains, my bed. So I'm going to show you my pictures. So I have my baby pictures and these are all baby pictures. My baby pictures. When I was a toddler, the bottom one, I was a toddler. And once you see on my bed, I have all my, I have my hanging stuff. Right here, I have my scarves. I have my other scarf, my backpack, my purse, my purse, my hats, and my travel backpack. And I have two stuffies over here. This one's from giving money to Telemiracle, and this one's from a hospital. And then I have the cute pillow, my Lizzie pillow, my sleep mask, that's my sleep mask, my earrings, my fan, and my water bottle, and a chair because I don't have a dresser. Okay, over here, I have my doll stuff. Ellie, this is you.
Yeah, that's mine.
And my school stuff, my school and my book about trucks and other stuff. This is my squishy. It's fast, slow rising at the same time. My makeup bag. My little drink thingy that came with the pajamas, and my little llama, and my bow, my diary, my little jewelry thing, my alarm clock, some of my stuffies, and yeah, that stuff. Here I have my stuffies, some of my Build-A-Bears, and my the owl is one of my, I forget the name, it's a stuffy. Up here I have my Follow Your Dreams, They Know the Way sign. And I love it because I got it on my birthday. And here I have like random book stuff that I read. My Christmas stuff is up. Pencil for my diary. Yeah, more. My jewelry, my jewelry box, my money, some pants, a brush, snow globe, and money sash thingy that I painted. I was camping and I painted this too, and my mask that someone gave me, and my M to stand for Madison. And over here we have my garbage, my poster, and my mirror, which is right here. And up here we have my lights. And up here we have, what does that say? Dance your self silly. And here we have my iPad, my smell thingies, my Lego set, my thing that I did with my sister. I'm going to show you this. It's so cute.
I made it for you.
My sister made it for me. It's so cute. Some of my shoes, my cat thingy, and my old backpack, which is in here. My set, my pillows, and my other stuff, like for beds, my cowgirl hat, and my Fin Fun mermaid tail and some of my outfits. Like this is my Halloween costume. So wait, we're not done. This is a picture of when I was born. This is me, this is my mom, and this is my dad. And then I have Madison is kind of a big deal around here, and my book stuff, and that's my room. Come on. So now we go to my sister's room.
Hi guys. Okay, so where should we start?
Let's start at your door.
So over here, there's a door. You put a sticker on it, and when you turn the door over, there's my old backpack, my poncho, my
onesie.
Yeah, my onesie, my stuff, and
Whatever it's
another
called.
like that,
Like a
and
poncho.
a scarf.
Scarf.
And
Then
then
we have
this is my closet. This is all my clothes.
don't you like I want to use this
And up here, and this is my pajamas that are too small, and my dance bag, some of my books, and some of my play stuff.
And yes, she does 3 things in dance. First thing is what you do.
My first thing is Highland, tap, and ballet.
So that's cool.
Yeah. So and I also have my blanket that I on my
That you got for her birthday.
Yeah, I got this. It's because I had a sleeper here. And then I have some stuffies. Ooh, and this is a flip snake thing. This will also flip. And I have a stick horse in my room. Ooh, and these are all my fidget spinners.
Yeah, one of these are mine though.
Yeah.
I think
And this is my money. This is my music thing to know what clock it is. And it also knows. Like,
oh my goodness.
you can do music. And
I'm
this
not,
is my...
I'm not kidding on it, but I think these are glow in the dark.
This is my book holder.
We got glow in the dark, bitch.
And
Mom has
this is my lipstick. And there's a Kleenex box in there. Yeah, a picture pocket there. And a lot of other stuff in here.
Like Barbies.
Random
Well,
stuff.
she has one.
Oh, and also I made this. I made this too. So like it's the same thing. All there's these sticky stuff. You can take them on and off, but they won't
This is
stick.
really pretty too.
This is like, oh, okay, so we're going to put it in. And then over here, this is my chair that I sit on. This is very close because it flips into another ball. These are my slippers.
Unicorn slippers.
Yes.
So cool.
Okay, let's go over here. Over here is my big stuff. My picture wall thing. My pretend doll. This is my name.
Dog.
This is actually my name. So what my name is.
Ellie.
Yeah.
I like it.
Okay. And there's and my diary's in here. It flips.
Okay, do you want to show them?
And
This?
this is my Polly Pocket.
No, not Polly Pocket. Here are adorables.
Yeah, hair adorals. And this is my hair adorable that I got. It's so cute. She's like a
Who
galaxy.
made this for us?
And this, Talia, my cousin made it. Her name's Talia. And look it. It's gold. It's because when you mat it
has sparkles.
it makes you happy. And then this is all my books.
Okay.
This is all my books.
And up here, what do we have?
Up here we have some of my studies. I got
Her
this
poster.
from
Her little dog.
got this from the fair.
Bigger, yeah.
And I got this hat from my friend Jonna
One's.
from Mexico.
She didn't make it.
Yeah,
She
didn't-
bought it.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
Bought it. She bought it. This is my letter E. It's a little one. This is my flip bracelet. It's the same as my flip. This is my jewelry box. Has all my jewelry in it.
And she made like 4 things over here.
And over here, this is my thing that I made at the
Thing, like it's my dance stuff, like my dance slippers, and I made a little jewelry holder.
Yeah, that was
Like
her.
my parents' thingy. I didn't make that, but I gave it to my mom.
And over here, I have some rocks. Some of them I made, some of them Maddie. This one we found at the campsite. I made this. These are flowers, and this is a heart. And this is what Maddie made.
Yeah, I made it.
I have it though. This is my school books. My I made this.
Yeah, we were camping the day.
And we
Our
made
mom
some.
bought some stuff for us.
And me. And we have some horse stuff.
That I think I bought for her birthday.
Yeah.
And she made these. Like I got the same thing for my birthday.
Yeah. This one I had to go in the shower, so I had to paint all over it. I don't know what I was doing. And over here, I was little when I did these. Over here, I have my piggy bank. This is my Christmas thing. Is a moose, I think. This is my iPad. This is my headphones, my charger. And I forgot something over here. That's my mirror. And I have some stuff over here. I don't know what they say.
Dream. Mama says
Dream, and I know one said dream. Oh, and this is a pony. What's it? And I smile?
Yep.
This one says smile, dream, smile.
E.
This is my E, and this is my baby picture. This is the same one that Maddie has in Pearl.
Yeah.
I have this one when I was a baby. And this is my light.
Yeah, I have the same thing.
Yeah, but it's only pink.
Yeah.
Book. And this says born to be a superhero. And I think I got it for my birthday. I forget. And then over here, I forgot what this. This is like my bathing suits and some of my weird stuff up there.
Yeah.
And up here I have my up here in the corner over there. There's my sleeping bags, my other bed sheet for summer, and that's my Fin Fun Mermaid tail, my horseback riding hat. Well, not my horseback riding hat. I don't really go horseback riding.
Yeah, I do though.
My cowboy girl hat, and I have some this like some like blankets and stuff. And over there in the corner I have one pillow. And that's it.
If you want to learn more about us, we make videos whenever we can, mostly every Friday.
And I have one more thing to show you guys, and I forgot about this. Here I have my garbage and my running shoes. Bye,
Bye
guys.
guys. We'll make a video tomorrow.